how to remove a person from your photo on your iPhone. So you can use this to remove multiple people and also objects from one of your photos. Now, the first thing you need to do is just go and load up the photo that you want to remove a person from. Now, once you have the photo selected like this, we're just going to click on the edit button at the bottom of the page. You can then select clean up, and then you just need to wait a few seconds while this goes and analyzes your photo. So this will use AI to detect people and also objects in the photo. Now, once it's finished analyzing, you can just go and use your finger to brush around the person or the object that you want to remove. Now, after a few seconds of doing this, just go and release your finger, and it should automatically detect the person, and then it should go and remove them from the photo like so. So you can go and do this with multiple people as well. And 99% of the time, it does a really good job of removing the object in a very natural way. So you can go and save these changes just by pressing done in the top right hand side. And that's how to remove a person from a photo on your iPhone.